Merchandising Elements by Jenna Brown. Michael Keenan describes visual merchandising as the process of planning, designing, and displaying products to highlight their features and benefits. Its goal is to attract and motivate consumers to buy something. Now that we have it defined, let's see it work in action. First, we have the rule of 3. I have a photo here of an Ulta Beauty display that has a rule of 3 as something going from big to medium to small, with the lips here in the middle. What this does is it conveys information within a short period without too many words. So just glancing at this display means that I could gather all the information that I need to know what I would like to buy from this. Next up, we have a point of sale display. This one is of a Chipotle Mexican grill counter, and it has a sign for drinks, a place to scan the app, and seasonal gift cards. All of these elements combined lead to more impulse buys, add-on drinks, or even keeping the company's brand in mind longer with the logo and having them download the app to get points. Next up, we have mannequins. Mannequins are widely used in clothing stores, mainly to grab people's attention by displaying seasonal items and how they work together. By looking at a mannequin, a customer will understand the styles that are on selection, as well as how that would look on their body. Next up, we have color blocking. This display is of a Barnes & Noble, where the books are laid out from blue to white, green, yellow, red, and black. These can be set up using planograms by the store, and all of this color tells a story and makes it visually appealing to look at. If the display was just random and not in order of color, it would be harder to look at and would see less purchases. Next up, we have bundling. This is an Ingles Market display where we have the ice cream tubs over here on the right, and then on the left, we have it paired with ice cream toppings, as well as ice cream scoops and ice cream salt for a customer to make their own ice cream. The point of bundling is to make items easier to find, but also encourage add-on purchases. So if a customer is buying chips, if there's salsa next to it, salsas could see more sales. Last up, we have props. Props are items used by a store that are not for sale, but their main purpose is to highlight the items that are for sale. What these do is that it makes the item more appealing by creating dynamics into the space to fill in any gaps that might be in the display, but it also can tell a customer how the item can be used in their home. In summary, visual merchandising uses color, position, and story to make displays more interesting and for items to see more sales. Color attracts the human eye, whether that's in color schemes that are similar to each other or using the whole color wheel. Position can be where an item is placed in the store physically, so chips and salsa together, or it could be how the display is set up, like the rule of 3, from big to small, or in a pyramid shape. Then starts our eye at the top, and then we move down to the rest of the display. And lastly, story could be how the item is displayed with props to show how we can use it in our own home, or what it might look like, or how the item can be used. Next up are my resources. Thank you so much for listening.